Welcome back to Shaun Vlog, and today we're at Warwick Castle. Making use of our Merlin passes.
We definitely are.
We definitely are. It's our first time here, as it is for most things on this trip. But we're going to explore this castle. There's a guy doing archery behind us.
He is.
When you come through,
he's setting it up.
instead of following the normal path, which is all cobbled, you go to the right if you've got a wheelchair, which is a much smoother path, all the way into the courtyard. And I can hear some birds.
It's peacocks.
Peacocks.
Yeah.
Oh.
The cock-a-hoop.
Yes. Let's go and see some ruins. Ooh, it's a horrible histories maze. It's somewhere you can get lost, but only if you go right and not left. Whoa, it's a cobbledy bit. We're walking into the courtyard. Ooh. You managing okay there, girls? You got yourself a nice hot drink?
I have, yes.
And a Capri Sun. Oh hey, and you've got an accessibility guide.
We have, yeah.
Yes.
Ooh,
Not a whole lot is accessible, but we'll figure it out as we go around. The dungeon is not accessible.
For 4 bits.
4 bits at the end, but you can't book them. You can only do it when you turn up, and it says on the website to go to the dungeon entrance, and they said no, you go to the main entrance to buy a ticket, which you can't buy. So
sounds like a bit of a palaver.
So I think you have to go to the offices to speak to the people in the offices who can do it for you.
Yeah.
Are you going to
Pipe down.
Are you going to try that?
We'll see.
Shaun went to the ticket office to check about the dungeon. There is an availability, but it's 3:15.
Hiccups.
Hiccup, excuse me. But we won't be here then. So what we found out that is if you're disabled and you've got a carer and you can't do the other bits, then they will give you access for free.
To the last 4 rooms. So you go in the end and you do the last 4 rooms.
Yeah.
But there's no availability, unfortunately. And you can't book it in advance.
And yeah, you can't book it in advance.
I think I should go and have a look up there on the rampart. Oh, it's tight. King Richard III. Artillery fort. Ah, okay. Oh, these stairs are steep. We're in House Beauchamp?
House Beauchamp.
Oh, this is quite cool. You're being noisy. Don't fall, Matt, they're very steep.
They are quite steep.
Lots of very steep stairs.
They are, yes. Oh, good we go.
Ladies! They're not waving.
Good view.
Oh, the view up here.
Oh. There he is. Tell you what, I could not be a soldier in medieval times.
That's tiring, isn't it?
It's a lot of stairs.
There's a defibrillator over there if you need it, mate. That was a lot of steps to come up. But you got to go down them again. Going down's easier. It's very high up here. And the ground's like slanted and tips over the edge, making me slightly uncomfortable. Just slightly. I feel very uneasy up here. Very uneasy. I'm staying away from the edge because there's nothing solid underneath there if you look down them drains. Look down the drain.
Some poo come out there.
It's uncomfortable. That's why I'm hanging back a little bit, because I'm a bit wobbly.
Well, I don't weigh much.
Yeah. Me too, Matt, me too. Another set to go down here. They're very steep. Very, very steep. When you were only halfway down, you were only halfway up. These are very steep and narrow steps. I need a shower. Whoa. Oh. Definitely couldn't get Caroline's wheelchair up these. Oh, she'll have to just watch the video. Oh. I'm at the bottom. There we go. Oh my days. I am glad to be back on the ground. I mean, it was a sweaty walk, and the view from up there, especially because it's slanted like that, is slightly scary. So I'm glad to be down here, back with Kaz.
But will the view's beautiful though?
I didn't get quite to the edge, but yeah.
You're a bit too scared.
Yeah. I was thirsty, so I got a quencher, and I thought it was going to be £7 for the red one. And I said, you don't do discount anymore. He went, no, we've got this one, which is £3.50, and then for all day, and then 75p to £1 to refill again on any other day, apparently, and you can use it at all of the parks. And I asked him if it was a new thing, because none of the other parks have done this, because we've asked before. And he went, no, it's always been around. I'm like, okay, we'll try it at Legoland next week. £3.50. Yeah.
You done?
I found the trebuchet
That's the one.
before we watch the Falconer's Quest. They're doing some building work over this section, and I can just imagine it's some form of jousting. I think for the summer, I'm sure that's what they're doing, jousting. Is that right, Matt?
Something like that.
No. My legs are still as weak as dirty dishwater after those stairs, but anyway, this is pretty big up close. We're going to head over and do the Falconer's Quest now, see all the birds. Aren't we, babe?
We are, babe.
In this year of 1356, I have returned victorious from the war in France, where I served as a loyal commander to His Majesty King Edward. I could tell you of my adventures there, but today I wish to tell you of someone else's adventure, or rather a quest, that helped me rebuild Warwick Castle. I will tell you now of the Falconer's Quest, or as my falconers reared and trained my birds, how he loved to see the birds of Warwick fly majestically over the castle, and how heartbroken he was when so many did not return from war. I will go on a quest to bring to Warwick a collection of birds that will be the envy of a king. It was the largest bird in the land, a white-tailed sea eagle. This was to be a test for Hobby. A test. Hobby marveled at the glorious sight of such a powerful bird. This huge, sturdy bird was a Steller's eagle. Those that cast their eyes on this magnificent bird are transfixed by its presence and power. Clever and great fun. He understood why they were so popular in sport and hunting. Once again, the skies above Warwick were full of many magnificent birds of prey, a sight that would indeed be the envy of a king.
We've just seen the Falconer's Quest, and that was a really, really good show.
Really enjoyed it.
Some of those birds were like centimetres away from my head and my
Natalie
face.
just nearly smacked one in the face.
Yeah. What, a bird? Or the bird smacked Natalie in the face?
No, she
There was
was
a bird. I had a hold of your camera and I was pointing over there with it.
Trying to
went
tell me
that.
something.
And then he got it in the face.
Yes.
Was that close?
Got quite a few slow-mo, so hope you like that little montage because doesn't do it justice really, I don't think.
It doesn't.
No.
No, it wasn't.
And the rain stopped. It rained a little bit while we sat down and now it's stopped.
I didn't realise it was raining.
Let's go and have a little bit more look around the castle.
So the show was great. From my point of view, the viewing area was perfect, apart from when people stood in front, but they did get told off for that. Yeah, we had views of them in the sky, down on the viewing area, but we also had a very good view of them on the, whether you want to call it perch, terrace bit behind us, which was really amazing. Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful birds though. Stunning birds.
Stunning. And now we're going to
Stunning.
see some peacocks.
We're going to see the peacocks. Oh, there's the peacock.
Peacock, cock, 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 peacock.
Can't see it actually.
There's such beautiful birds on the map.
They are very, very beautiful birds.
Very beautiful.
I love that
The noise.
noise.
Yeah, whatever noise is. And the colouring. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the peacocks. I've come up a little bit more on this side. Caroline and Natalie are down there getting a drink. Me and Matt have gone up the bits that aren't accessible. Why was Warwick Castle here? Why is it Warwick Castle? Apparently the choice of location wasn't random. It's strategically perfect for these reasons. Warwick is in the centre of the country, so it's quick and easy to reach for the north, south, east and west. It's on the bank of the River Avon, which provides good trade links and transportation, as well as a natural defence on one side. It's located on a sandstone cliff, which is also a natural defence and gives a tactical advantage. And it's positioned on the Fossway, which was the major through road from Lincoln in the north to Exeter in the south. Just look at that countryside over there. Beautiful. Love things like this. There's plenty to do here as well. You've got the Falconer's Quest show, which is on twice a day. You've got the Zog Trail for the kiddies and the big kids. There's the maze, which we're going to do in a bit. And then obviously you've got all of the castle stuff to look at. There's bits of information everywhere dotted around telling you all about different things about the castle and things that have happened in its history. What can you see?
Trees at the minute.
You can see the trees. We've come into the Great Hall. Let's have a look.
Lord Brooke was a man that wanted adventure and believed war was a glorious thing. But this came to an end in 1928 when he passed away after years of physical and psychological suffering.
This is Lord Brooke, Winston Churchill and Spencer Cavendish. With a bear. Look at these books. Look at the ceiling. The fireplace. Important things were discussed in these rooms.
Absolutely.
Weren't they?
Definitely.
There's another cool fireplace.
Right, so I've watched a thing about one of the Sackville Wests, who was a writer. So who's Victoria to that person? I wonder if she was the first Sackville West lady. Sorry, I'm just going on about stuff that I've read and watched in history.
Marlborough House set, a social group primarily linked to the Prince of Wales and named after his house in London, was frequently associated with the scandal
That's a big
of the day.
piano.
It consisted of various local farming visitors to enjoy long weekends of entertainment, dining and frivolity.
And this is the Great Hall.
Well, we did it in 20 minutes. We did, yeah. We got a long time to get there.
Whoa. That would be heavy to... Oh, that would be heavy to wear. Very heavy. And to carry all of them, wow. You'd be strong.
Yep, you do.
Caroline, they brought out the big guns for her.
We've already had this conversation.
Caroline just said that.
She does, Natalie. What?
I said she likes a big one.
Gun.
A big gun.
That was quick.
What are you
for me.
doing, Caroline?
I'm spearheading today's chat, everyone. Spearheading the vlog.
Think of the parties held in this room. Wow. The size of that bed. This is the Queen Anne bedroom. We're in the chapel now. That window. Wow.
He later became Prime Minister.
What did you think of the castle?
It's lovely, really, really beautiful. And I didn't realise until we went inside that the Sackville West family used to come here to parties and things. So that was interesting.
Lots of famous people.
Yeah, and then
It's had lots of kings.
Then I found out it was bought by the Tussauds Group in 1978 for 1.5 million, which in today's money is about 5 million. And then Merlin, something between Merlin Group and other groups, and Merlin now hires it rents it on a 35-year contract.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of interesting facts. Yeah, I really liked it.
Some really nice rooms in there, and you couldn't get on the upper ones.
I couldn't get on the upper ones, but I got a bit of a shock coming around one of the back, because you've got to come back on yourself with the wheelchair. You go in through the entrance back here, go through, and then you have to come back again. And on the way back, there was a waxwork, and I got a bit of a shock because it looked real.
Yeah. Oh, I quite enjoyed seeing that. We're going to have a quick look on the Kingmaker, and then probably head out.
Yeah, I was just going to say it's a beautiful place, and beautiful scenery.
Peaceful.
It's very peaceful.
Relaxing music.
I have actually a few times closed my eyes and just listened to the music and the birds and stuff.
Yeah.
It's very peaceful.
What a day! My master, Richard Neville, Earl of Warwick, Maker of Kings, going to battle for Henry, the rightful King of England.
She's making all the bows, Matt.
She is.
It smells like horses down here and hay. Good. Rod Stewart works here.
Does look like one.
That was an interesting little exhibit, going through all the different scenes that were set up. I think we're heading out now. Let's go and meet back up with the ladies, because again, that was something that wasn't accessible. What do you think of that, Matt?
It's interesting.
Matt?
All to do with King Henry. I don't know which Henry though.
The fat one?
No.
The one with 6 wives?
Never
I
I don't know.
8? No, he had 6 wives.
He had 6.
Name his wives.
Catherine of Aragon, Anne Boleyn, Catherine Parr. I can only get 50% of it.
A nice loud ooh la la. No, I missed. That was come see, come sa. Last couple of arrows. Last 2 arrows. I'm building it up. If it hits, ooh la la. Got him right in the ooh la la, as you can see.
Just got the tail end of the archer speaking French. Apparently likes to talk a lot, and those arrows go quite fast. But now, 120 miles an hour. Now we're going to do something amazing. It's the maze. We're going to get lost.
Yep.
Yep.
Look at that. Oh, why see that?
He likes your camera, Shaun.
I know. Sorry, we're just doing it. Sorry. Which way do we go, Kaz?
Left.
Left?
Left.
Left.
Left. That's right.
Left.
Right.
Left. We're going to the... Oh no.
Left.
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 Right,
Okay.
Stewart's.
Left.
Left.
Left. Dead end.
Right.
Left. Right.
Left
Left.
again.
Left.
Dead end. Left again.
Left.
Dead
Left.
end. Did you know that flour is almost as explosive as gunpowder?
I did not know this. Left. Oh.
Dead end.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Did you know? Did you know? Unusual suspects.
Like a nice stretchy bandage for
Left.
your wing.
Oh, left. What a good idea. Oh. There. Where? You're going right, not left.
It smells nice in here. Slimy Stuart.
Yeah, he's not. He's going right all the time, not left.
No. When I said fire, this is not.
It is 1665 and the Great Plague has arrived in London.
There's no marble.
Is it here?
You've lost your marbles. Oh, my exes live in Texas.
How do you avoid the exit? You can't avoid the exit.
Can you get from one end of the city to the other while avoiding the plague-filled streets?
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
You can. You got to go there, round there. Just don't go there.
Right?
Yeah, but then how
But
do
then
you
there's an
get
X
here?
there. You can't. You can't avoid the... Caroline.
Can't avoid the
You
plague.
can't avoid the
You
plague.
can't avoid the plague.
You can't avoid COVID. Can you?
Well, we've done it for 2 years, haven't we?
We have.
Chimney,
Chimney, chim, chim, chimney.
Come on, come past. I'll give you a brush.
I'm giving you the brush off.
I think I'm in a car wash.
Step in time.
Burn, burn, burn. The Ring of Fire. Wanted. Oh, what's going on here? What did you say, Pat?
I don't know.
Leslie.
Do you think this is amazing?
This is a maze. Bold.
We found the middle,
Vikings.
sort of the maze. You can't get in? Nope. It's stony. That's a bridge or something.
It's actually a Viking boat.
A Viking boat?
It is.
Ah. Back up, back up.
Look, there's something this way.
That was 5 minutes of fun.
It was, yeah. All the fun at the fair.
Now we're heading out of Warwick Castle. It's been a nice day. I've had a nice day. It's been nice and chilled. Nice scenery. Just nice. Yeah? What do you think?
It's been lovely.
been lovely.
Along, nice and chill, as you say.
Reminds me of a slightly more grown-up version or more modern version of Anna Castle.
Yeah, actually, you're probably right on that. Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's more modernised. They've done really well.
Yeah.
We're going to head over now to Clarkson's Farm. So we'll see you there. It's Caleb from Clarkson's Farm.
It's Caleb. Shaun, this looks heaving. The sign's on your side.
In.
Today gin. Oh, they've got the gins in.
We're here at Diddley Squat Farm, which is Clarkson's Farm. If you've not seen the TV series, we recommend it. We came to go to the farm shop. It's 3:15 and it closes in an hour and a quarter, but the queue to get in is nearly 2 hours long.
Yeah, and the food place has run out of food. The only thing that's still open is
Yeah,
the bar.
the food place has run out of food, but the bar's open. So we can't go in the shop and show you anything. And there was a couple of things that we were interested in buying, but not an £8.50 pint of milk.
No, not an eight. I don't even like milk.
Or a £20 jar of honey. But let's go have a drink from the bar. That's the Lamborghini tractor in the background.
Right there.
Right there. It's a big one.
It is a big one.
It's huge.
We're getting a beer in the lambing shed. That Jeep was in the Grand Tour. But we're here for beer, Matt. Oh, soft drink for you.
Soft drink for me, driving.
What's the Cotswold Pale taste like?
It's wet. It's a little fruity.
I went for the Cotswold
Not
Premium
bad.
Lager, which is actually quite nice.
Not bad at all.
What's it taste like?
What, my pale?
Yeah.
Very delicious.
Does it taste paley?
Yours comes across as very
It's got a lovely aftertaste. I can't work out what it is, but
Yeah.
beautiful.
Nice.
Very good.
You're getting a wildflower gin.
Huh?
Yes.
With this.
But there's no fruit. We're finished at Diddley Squat Farm. We couldn't go in the farm shop, unfortunately. The queue was too long. Matt's taking over the driving, but the beer was nice. And the food probably would have been nice as well. Just nice, actually. Chilled atmosphere, a little bit of music. See what happened. See a few things that were in the show and in the Grand Tour. It's been a really just nice, chill day, really, at Warwick Castle. And then here, we're off to the Travelodge now for our next destination, which is Bath. And that'll be in the next video, because that's where we're going tomorrow. So, keep making memories.
Catch you later.
Bye, Matt.
Catch you later.